Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Let's take a look at this one from Blooming Jelly. Yes, Blooming Jelly. Now we shall take a look at, let me not to cut it. Ooh, it's sealed. Wow. Uh-oh. You know, there is. Oh, it opens. Oh, that's so cute. And the size is small. And I like, this is wrinkled. So when you wear it, you can roll it whichever way. It will not have wrinkles. Oh, I like it. Let me try it. And yesterday I got another one. Let's take a look. So this one is silk. It's pure silk. You know, I used to work for textile industry, so I import, export fabric, so I know this is real silk. You can feel the coolness of it. Okay, maybe I can do some diagram to explain a little bit. Use it at as a lesson. So this is the front side. This is the back. No, here. This is the back side. This is the front side. Front side is very shining, and it's very, very cool, heavyweight, because when I do silk painting, I use this kind of silk to do silk painting. It's a heavyweight with a lot of thread in it, so it absorbs a lot of paints, and the color is very dense and condensed. As you can see, the color is quite dense. Now we will zoom in. It feels so smooth, don't you see it? I'm always fascinated by fabric. And this is the back side. So, why it is so shiny? The front side. It's because of its weaving. So when we do weaving, one up, one down, one up, one down. Okay. This is normal weaving, and this one is something like one up, two down, one, two, one, two, one, two. So from the side you can see, oh my, sorry. So from the side you can see, maybe I will use the knitting method to show you. This one has a lot of one direction, and much less in the other direction. And the distance between each of the thread is very close. So you can see it finally, you see this line, not so much on the vertical line, horizontal line. You mostly see the vertical line, not so much horizontal line. So you can see it's almost like a grand bouloir, very smooth. Do I explain? Yeah. Anyway, you get the idea. This is a good silk. Now I will try this one. A little bit green, a little bit blue. Let me see if I have some clothes to go well with it. Okay, now we give it a try. Okay, it's a teeny tiny little bit large, but very relaxed. Let me first put it here. And there is a button here. You can see. My neighborhood is doing some renovation work, so let's walk around. I'm sorry for for our little backyard. We do not have much room that shows less of the sunshine. It's the shade. So you can do it like this, quite relaxed, or just tie a little note and put it here so that it's a little bit asymmetric. Work very comfortably. You can run, you can jump, you can, I'm very relaxed. Oh, sorry. Okay, I will do this. You can run, you can jump, roll your arm, and you can put it inside. Tuck it in. What do you think? Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Cuckoo, bye bye. Titi, Minu, 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 Nunu, 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 Minu, Nunu. Oh, mignon. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Minu. Nunu. Okay. That's it. Minu. Bye bye. Okay. Hello, dear friends. So this is it, and let's give it a try. Oh, there is something not right here. Okay. Okay. Hello, dear friends. Let's give it a try. So this is it. I feel so strange. Maybe I can put it inside. And it's very, very comfortable, very relaxed. I was wondering, I was thinking maybe this will not be comfortable, but no, it is. You can raise your hand. Because of this, it does not bother me. It's relaxing enough. Okay, I put it in and see how it looks. It needs something to tighten it up, don't you think so? Maybe a longer pants or oh, oh. Maybe a pair of longer pants or a skirt will be good. But anyway, that's about it. It's quite comfortable. Yeah. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Cuckoo, bye, bye.